Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Where do you mean? Hit the button.
What's going on? You know what's going on. She keep it wet like tsunami. She thinks she's all the Titanic. I get her like wasabi. She think it's Willie and all. I think pop.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Today I'll be doing a room tour. I told you guys in 2015 I was gonna do a room tour. 3 years later, still haven't done one. So here it is. Here is my room. Here's like an overview, and I'll go in depth of the room. So when you first walk in and you go to the left, you have this beautiful poster that I got for my birthday of American Horror Story. And then you go, it's my backpack, my laundry bin, or I don't know what it's called. And then I have my vanity, I have my makeup, some chokers, what do they call it? Hair ties, I have some books with my little fidget spinner and a speaker. Thank you, Austin, if you're watching this, by the way. And then the best thing of my room will have to be this thing that my best friend Lisa got me for my birthday. Whew, it has all my people on it. They're all so beautiful. I still haven't hung it up yet because I'm waiting until I redecorate my room, because I want to redecorate my room soon, hopefully. Then when you come over here to the end of the wall, you get my closet. Yes, I still have a Christmas stocking on it. And I have a dance medal for Just Dance 2014. I was a flexible girl back then. And then I have my closet. It is junky up here as usual. And I color coordinated my closet from lights to darks. Then all my shoes, and then I have Anaya and Frederick over here, because I didn't want you guys to see that, you know, so I'm gonna close that up. And then you go to the other wall, and we have my trash bin or whatever, TV, DVD player, Apple TV, you know, all electronics. And then we have my dresser, next corner, or this is the corner. I have my Teen Wolf DVD set. I'm still crying over that. And then I have American Assassin, and I have the Saw movie. I don't even know why I have that right there. And then me being a little musician girl, I have my piano. Hopefully I'll get my ukulele. I can sit there or whatever. Here's my corner of my people. We have Shawn Mendes, Harry, Dawn Twins, you already know my babe, my husband, One Direction. I have Alyssa up there. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. That's ugly. Okay, next wall. Oh Lord. Then we have a mirror. You know, take my pictures. Okay, and then over here is my bed, and I used to use this blanket when I get cold. And then I have some pillows. You know, I used to keep a 9 in front of here, but they're not here right now. I have some lights. I used to keep my headphones here for when I get bored. And then here is my nightstand. You can put my music playing over there. So I have my clock, a book for school, my little Captain America, my candle, my water bottle, gotta stay hydrated. And then I have this picture frame, and it has like a good 6 pictures in here. Down here I have some of my miscellaneous stuff. It's so junky in here. And look, this thing, it smells like alcohol, and it kind of spooks me a little bit. And then down here is very junky. I have pillows down here, headbands, picture frames that I almost cut myself with. Like, oh, I did. I have a scar mark right here. And then my laptop and charger. Oh my god, I forgot my famous Teen Wolf. If they don't stop texting me, my famous Teen Wolf poster. Rest in peace, that show was so... Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Give me some money, you know, I'm broke. Need some money for some clothes. And yeah, okay, bye. Did you hit the button?